Hello, my name is Daniel, and in this video I'm going to pick up where I left off in the last one. So as I was saying, we're going to get the text from this method from the app class. So let's just go over there. So let's switch files, and then let's create a new method, the get text method. So get text, there you go. And this is what it's going to return. It's going to just return a tuple that contains a string. So oops. So I just copied this because I was too lazy to type it all out, and it would bore you guys. So you guys can pause it and just copy all this down. But let me just show you what I wanted to do. So you see right here, these are the references. So ref keyword, and the ref keyword for this one is Kivy. And right now we're going to define what these references do. So for example, here's source, there's the MIT one, and then there's the website one. So that's how we define references within text. So that's why we need a markup, because this only works with markup. Another thing that you might discover is that you can concatenate strings without using pluses or the backslash or anything like that by wrapping it in parentheses. You see parens. So when you do that, it concatenates all the strings together as if it was just one line. That's a pretty cool thing I found out a while ago. So yeah, that might come in useful for you guys. So anyways, now that we have that, oops, that's where the label is getting its text from calling this method. Alright, cool. Now that we have that, how are we going to handle references? Because right here in onPressRef, we said we're going to call this method as well that is also belongs to the app method, to the app class I mean. And it's going to pass in these arguments. So let's go define this method right now. So it's def, oh my god, I forgot the name, on ref press. So the arguments that it was passing is the instance of itself, and then also the reference, the reference that it was that was being interacted with. So the way we do that, actually the way I did it was by creating a dictionary. So let me just copy it because I am too freaking lazy to do this. And let me paste it. Alright, cool. So this is what's happening. So the instance right now, we're not going to use it. I just wanted to show you guys the args, this method args. It passes multiple things at once. You don't need to define them, and then over here you just unpack them. So in case you didn't know that, that's a little cool neat trick. You can Google it for more info, but I just want to show you guys. Anyways, the one that we actually want is this guy, the reference. So this is what we're going to do. So you see I made a dictionary. The source leads to links. So this is the reference source, and it leads to this link, and then website to this, Kivy to this, yada yada to that. So that's how I set it up. You obviously can do it different ways, but this is the way I'm doing it. So if you want to follow, then yeah, just go for it. If not, then just make your own way or whatever. Now that we have that, we're gonna open up the web browser and then send the user there. So before we can actually do that, we need to import one library. So let's go to the top right here, and then let's do import web browser. And once we do that, let's go back to where we were, and then we just do web browser dot open the dictionary with the reference. So for example, if they clicked on the reference that had MIT, it's going to open up this link leading to the license of the app. So yeah, that's how you open it. That's how it's handled basically. Alright, cool. Now there you go. You have everything handled for the about screen. Now all that's left is actually showing it. So let's go over here to the start screen, and let's add something, the on release method. So here in onRelease, obviously, by the name you can tell, this is what happens when you let go of the button. So we do app.root, so it's going to go to the root widget, not the app class. So then app.root.change screen, and then we're going to pass in the text this, and the way we can pass it is self.text. So that's how we refer, that's how we refer to this guy over here, self.text.lower. So we want a lowercase, make our life easier. Alright, cool. Now, we said that we were going to pass it to the root class, to this method, change screen. So let's go define it. So let's go all the way up, bam, to our Kivy, root class. So right there. And then let's go create our method, def change screen. There you go. It's going to pass in self, and it's going to pass in the next screen that we want to go to. Alright, cool. So far we're doing good. So right here, I'm going to define a couple things that we're not going to need right now, but we're going to need in other videos. So I'm going to do operations equals addition, subtraction, division. Oh no, it's multiplication first, multiplication, and then dot split. So this is going to create an array, and that's what I want. And now the question is going to be none. So we'll use these values later on. For now, we're not going to use it. Alright, cool. Let's see. Now right here, we're going to make a little if statement. If next screen is equals to about this app, then we're going to tell the screen manager over here. Let's see, where is it? Yeah, so the screen manager, we're going to tell it to change to the other screen. So, and thankfully, because we made an ID, like right here, we're able to call it from the Python site. So this is what we're going to do. Self.ids.kivy screen manager.current equals about screen. So we're saying A, manager, make the current screen this screen, the about screen. So if we go back, the manager, if we just run it right now, it's gonna say, what do you mean the about screen? The only screen I see is this one, the start screen. So guess what we gotta do? We gotta add it. So let's do that right now. So about screen, there you go. Come on, man, I'm gonna stab somebody. ID/about screen. So yeah, about screen. Look at that. And why am I an idiot? There you go. So yeah, wrap it in strings. Forgot about that. And oh no, wait. That's supposed to be the name. And the ID is the about screen, just like that. I was doing it right. I just got confused. And nope, you go over here and you go over here. All right, cool. So yeah, there you go. So let's see, we added it to the screen manager, and then we do this. I think it's ready to be run. So let's go to a prompt, a terminal or whatever, and then let's do Python 3/main. All right, cool. So now, moment of truth. Let's see about this app. Oh, what the heck? Super has no attribute. What the heck happened? Let's see. Key error. Kivy screen manager. Where did I screw up? Let's see. Kivy screen manager. Did I do it right? Not right there, but to the buffer of main. Oh, manager. I misspelled manager. I'm an idiot. So let's spell manager and let's fix it over here. Manager as well. So now if I go to eShell again, let me just clear this, and then I run the demo. Bam, it should work. If not, I quit. Oh yes. Now if I click on any of these links like Kivy or source code or MIT license or my website, let's just click on Kivy. Oh, look at that.